Hi guys, we got here today and this little guy was just hanging out. A little concerned about him because he hasn't moved. He's not scared of us. He's seemingly either sick or injured, but we're not touching him. Kind of cute though. Probably one of the things eating what they can out of our garden. But give you a quick look around this week. We cleared out all the babies that weren't cutting it. Oh, I'm all zoomed in. There we go. Got tons of tomatoes, lots of them ripening. We trimmed a lot of the foliage back last week just so we could get in there and see what's what. And it's still a jungle. But we're excited to start harvesting. It's starting to look good. One we left last week. Couple getting big. There's a pair of them, kind of on the small side. Wow. It's crazy how fast everything grows. I was sure nothing would be growing still because it's getting colder. But look at that. These are beautiful. All stripy. I think those are called Brad's Atomic. These are just regular cherry. Growing all up in there with the cucumbers. Ooh, it's drippy. Surprised me. Looking for cucumbers. There's a few. Big one. Oh yeah, we'll be making pickles this week too. Potatoes are dying back a little. Might be harvesting those in a week or two. Cauliflower seed pods are starting to dry out. Might take some of those this week. Let's see. Oh, the cabbages are kind of getting eaten. I don't know. They're pretty sad looking, but we might get something. Zach doused this guy in vinegar last week. Seems to have helped quite a bit. Might do that again. Oh, look at that. That's a pepper. That's exciting. Alright guys, might leave you on that happy note. I got most of the mustard. There's just a few left for this week. Talk to you soon.